What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Oh wait, hold on, dudettes, sorry. Today we're gonna be working on the Jeep yet again. She's had an oxygen sensor problem. I got one, and hopefully it's the right one, and we're gonna see if it works. Hopefully it does work, because it's been running really rough. Like, it runs for about an hour and it's fine, but then after about an hour it just gets really rough. You start smelling the exhaust and everything. Check engine light was on. That's what the code was for, so we'll see what happens. Problem is, you know, I've been having a little fun with this Jeep. Little too much fun. And I'm pretty sure this oxygen sensor is gonna be a bitch to get off. We're gonna try and figure it out. Let's go. Before we start, let me show you guys why I think this is gonna be a problem. Well, guys, this is the aftermath of me having a little fun with the Jeep. I don't know if any of you are from Georgia or ever been to Georgia. This is Georgia red clay. As you can tell, it is extremely red. It is everywhere underneath the car, so this is not going to be fun to get off. I'm going to tell you that right now. Let's get to putting the Jeep up in the air and seeing what we got. All right, guys, let's go. What? Let's get underneath the car and let's see how to get this off, because there was not very many good YouTube videos on how to do this. So we're gonna figure it out on our own. All right, okay, let's go. All right, guys, that's the oxygen sensor right there. Seems very easy, right? Seems extremely easy to get off. I thought this would be 5 minutes, but let me show you why this is not gonna be 5 minutes. Well, first off, do you see all this beautiful mud caked on the exhaust right here? That's already gonna be enough of a thing to get it off. But let me show you something. This is my oxygen sensor socket. This is supposed to help me get this off, but let me show you why it's not gonna help me, right? You put the wire through, right? You run it down to it, can't, as far as I can go, because of the transmission. It's never easy, is it? Never easy. Can it ever just be easy? One day in my life, just one day, can life just be easy? So now we gotta find some other stuff. So I will get back to you guys in a little while and see if I can find something to get this off. All right? Okay. Alright guys, so luckily the penetrating fluid worked a little bit and I got it off with my pliers, but jeez, look at this. No wonder it was giving me codes and running rough. Look at that. That looks like complete crap. But this is the new one. It's a Denso one. I'm not 100% sure if this will even work, because these are for foreign cars. Like, I have Denso oxygen sensors and a couple other sensors replaced on my Honda, and that's what they all are made for, so I'm kind of iffy on this will work for an American car. Anyway, so this is the new one. Hopefully it will be good. I'm gonna try and put this on, see if we're good, put a little bit of anti-seize on it, because it came with a little bit of anti-seize. Clean that penetrating fluid off, and yeah, we'll wrap it up for the rain starts. Alright guys, so that's it. That is the oxygen sensor replaced on this Jeep. I'm going to replace the other one. I just didn't have the extra money to get the other one. But on the code, it said it was only that one, so I'm hoping that's the only one that's broken. I'm gonna run it. I actually have like a full tank of gas on this thing, so I'm gonna drive it for the week, put some miles on it, and make sure that that was it. If not, I'll replace the other one. We'll be good to go. But for now, that's how you replace the oxygen sensor on a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Yeah, that's it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. So yeah, anyway, I'll see y'all later before this rain comes and I'm soaking wet out here. So I'm glad I got this done quick. I stole this flashlight from my job and it works very well. Don't tell my job. I won't be working there too much longer, so you can tell them about maybe like another month. But anyway, make sure you wrench every day. No, I can't say that. Why do I keep saying other YouTuber shit? Alright guys,